Internal combustion engine. Intake, compression, combustion, exhaust, piston, cylinder arrangement, crankshaft, cylinder block, connecting rod, camshaft, bearing bush, exhaust, small end bush, flywheel. Classification of IC engine: types of fuel, method of ignition, number of strokes, cycle of operation, speed of engine, cooling system, and number of cylinder. Component of IC engine: first, cylinder with withstand 50 bar pressure and 2000 centigrade temperature. Material: cast iron, steel alloy, and aluminum alloy. Second, cylinder head contains spark plug for petrol engine and nozzle for diesel engine. Material: cast iron, steel alloy, aluminum alloy. Gasket: copper or asbestos for airtight seal. For piston: function of piston: transmit force to connecting rod. Material of piston is aluminum. Second, connecting rod function: transmit force from piston to crankshaft. Material of connecting rod is special steel alloy and aluminum alloy. Piston ring construction: two sets of ring function to provide airtight seal to prevent leakage of burnt gases or oil. Material is special steel alloy. Crankshaft power is developed during working stroke. Material special steel alloy. Seventh, crankshaft act as a sump for lubricating oil. Material: cast iron, fly and flywheel. Function of flywheel: it stores excess energy during the power stroke and return energy during the other stroke. It maintains the speed of crankshaft that is constant. First, four stroke engine: petrol or spark ignition engine, that is SI engine. Construction detail: it consists of cylinder, piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet and exhaust valve, fins for cooling purpose only. Four stroke engine. There is a first stroke intake: air fuel mixture is drawn in, intake valve open, air fuel mixture, combustion chamber, piston, connecting rod. Here piston moves TDC to BDC for suction purpose. TDC means top dead center and BDC means bottom dead center. Second, compression valve closed, piston moves from BDC to TDC for compression purpose. Air fuel mixture is compressed. Then third, power stroke. Here piston moves TDC to BDC. Valve valve closed, spark plug firing. Third, fourth and final stroke is exhaust stroke, where piston moves BDC to TDC for exhaust purpose. First, suction stroke: due to pressure difference, inlet valve open and charge is sucked into the cylinder. Piston move from TDC to BDC. Crankshaft rotate through 180 degree. Second, compression stroke: inlet and exhaust valve are closed. Piston move from BDC to TDC. Pressure and temperature of charge increase. Crankshaft rotate through 360 degree. That is one complete revolution. Expansion stroke: charge is ignited by spark plug before the piston reaches TDC. Sudden increase in temperature and pressure, but volume remains constant. Combustion product push the piston in the downward direction due to high pressure. Heat energy transformed to mechanical energy. Piston moves from TDC to BDC. Crankshaft rotates through 540 degree. Both inlet and exhaust valve are closed. Exhaust valve open as the piston moves from BDC to TDC. Piston pushes the product of combustion through exhaust valve into the atmosphere. Example of four-stroke engine for light vehicle, car, jeep, and aeroplanes. Four-stroke engine, diesel or compressed ignition engine, that is CI engine. Construction detail of four-stroke CI engine. It consists of cylinder piston assembly, connecting rod, crankshaft, cylinder head, crankcase, inlet and exhaust valve, fins. Working. Suction stroke. Due to pressure difference, inlet valve open and air is sucked into the cylinder. Piston moves from TDC to BDC. Crankshaft rotates through 180 degree. Compression stroke. Inlet and exhaust valve are closed. Piston moves from BDC to TDC. Working. Pressure and temperature of charge increase. Crankshaft rotate through 360 degree. That is one complete revolution. Expansion stroke. Fuel is injected through fuel injector before the piston reaches to TDC. Temperature of air is high enough to ignite the fuel. Sudden increase in the temperature and pressure. Combustion product pushes the piston in the downward direction due to high pressure. Heat energy transformed into mechanical energy. Piston moves from TDC to BDC. Crankshaft rotates through 540 degree. Both inlet and exhaust valve are closed. Exhaust stroke. Exhaust valve open as the piston moves from BDC to TDC. Piston pushes the product of combustion through exhaust valve into atmosphere. Example of four-stroke engine for heavy vehicle, buses, trucks, tractor, earth moving machine. Valve timing diagram. Petrol and diesel engine we should cover in next